Hi GGIS family, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn how to create a simple GIS map for beginners. Let's get right into it. We will start by clicking the drop-down arrow of the Add Data icon to add a base map. We will then select the imagery as the base map and select Add. Now zoom to where you intend to digitize. By selecting the Art Catalog icon highlighted in the red circle, you will open the catalog of folders, which will store the shapefiles you intend to create. To create a shapefile, right-click on the desired folder, go to New, then Shapefile, type the name of the shapefile, and select the type of vector feature, whether point, line, or polygon. Follow the steps shown to add a coordinate system to your shapefile. Once created, the shapefile will be added automatically to your workspace. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be creating shapefiles to represent rivers and roads, which are both lines, buildings as polygons, and vegetation as points. Then change the symbology by double-clicking on the symbol and choosing the most suitable representation of each feature. We will then right-click and go to Properties to add field names. Please note that there should be no space in the field name, or there will be a prompt correcting your error when you try to save. We will now start our digitizing. In order to digitize, ensure the editor toolbar is turned on. If not, right-click on the toolbar and check editor. You may start editing by clicking on the drop-down and select Start Editing. Select the feature you wish to create and start digitizing. Click on the attribute icon and populate your attributes. Before preparing your layout plan, we will turn off the imagery layers. We will then save our edits, stop editing, go to the layout by selecting the layout icon. In the layout interface, you may adjust the map display. Ensure there is a map title, north arrow, legend, scale, and your map notes. You may turn on the grid to ensure your map elements are aligned properly. You may label the features on your map by right-clicking on the layer, go to Properties. From the Label tab, you may choose how you will label your features. Ensure the label feature in this layer is checked. When you're through, select OK. Follow the steps to have your map coordinate system displayed on your map. You may now go to File and export your maps either as a PDF or a picture. We have come to the end of another video. I trust that you did enjoy and you have learned something new. Please go right ahead, like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification. Follow also on my social media pages, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.